The motorhome is powered by an internal leisure battery, controlled by the panel found above the main entrance door. The button in the bottom right turns the control panel on and off. In the top left is your water pump. This needs to be on for your taps, shower and toilet flush to work. The next one down turns on the outside light. Below that is the lights or 12-volt circuit. That allows use of the lights, TV and water pump. The final button on the left-hand side displays the internal temperature of the motorhome. At the top on the right-hand side is your water levels. Push once to show how much is in your freshwater tank and twice to show your wastewater levels. The levels are displayed in increments of 33%. Below that shows the power level of your leisure battery, and below that again shows the power level of your vehicle battery. Note that the leisure battery will not power the 3-pin plug sockets. In order for the 3-pin plug sockets to work, you'll need to be connected to mains power via electric hookup or a generator. When connected, the hookup symbol will appear at the bottom of the display panel.